I think this soldering joint is finally done. The connection is good and the wire are properly attached. So I just hope it works without any short circuit.
Yeah, it looks good though, but I feel really tired because of holding the iron and focusing for this long. I just want to sit down for a while.
Should we clean the table first and switch off the soldering iron before leaving? I don't want to risk anything.
It's fine, we'll be back soon anyway. It is just a short break. No one else is coming.
Alright.
Wow, the workshop is empty. It looks like there's no one been here for a while.
Yeah, I know. Let's just hang around and play for a bit. This space is perfect because no one is here.
Hey, what's that on the table?
Is it still hot? I feel like it's glowing a little. Hey, careful!
My hands, it burns so much. I didn't even see them.
Oh no, that's soldering iron. Are you okay?
No.
Sit down here and don't touch anything else.
Wait, what? Did someone touch the soldering iron?
Oh no, that's ours. We didn't switch it off when we left.
Let's go. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, that's Alia and Sophia.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey, are you okay?
No, it really hurts. I didn't expect anyone to leave it on that bed. This is so dangerous. Seriously, someone could get badly burns. You two should have cleaned up properly.
Wait, we were careless. I didn't think anyone would come here while we were gone.
Yeah, leaving it like this was a mistake. This could have been so much worse.
I've learned my lesson. From now on, I will always clean the workplace and switch off all the equipment before leaving.
Yeah, and I will make sure no tools are left lying around unattended. No shortcuts next time.
Yes, that's right. This is exactly why safety rules exist. It's not just for decoration, it's to protect people. Yes, even a small mistake can cause injuries or worse. I hope everyone sees what happened here and learns to be careful. Yeah, safety workshop is not just following the rules, but it's protecting ourselves and others.
I feel terrible that someone got hurt because of our carelessness.
Yeah, I know I should probably make it too.